In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Xfinity TV account. To get started, open the official Xfinity website in your browser. Once the homepage loads, look for the Sign In option and click it. On the Sign In page, choose Create a username to begin the registration process. This is the option you'll use if you already have Xfinity service and need to set up your online access. Next, Xfinity will ask you to enter information connected to your service so it can find your account. Depending on your setup, this may include details like the mobile number linked to the account, part of your social security information, or your Xfinity account number. Make sure you use the information that is actually associated with your Xfinity service, since that's how the system verifies that it's really your account. After that, you'll be asked to choose a verification method. Follow the available options on screen. In many cases, Xfinity will send a verification code to your email address or mobile device. When that code arrives, check your messages carefully and enter the code exactly as shown. If you don't see it right away, it may take a moment to arrive, so give it a few seconds before trying again. Once your identity is verified, you can create your Xfinity username. Pick a username you'll remember easily since you'll use it every time you sign in. Be sure to follow any username rules shown on the screen, then create a strong password that matches Xfinity's password requirements. A secure password is important because it helps protect your account and your personal information. You'll then have a chance to review your account details. Take a moment to confirm that your name and contact information are correct and update anything that needs to be changed. After reviewing that information, read through the terms and privacy details, then accept the applicable terms to continue. Now you're ready to finish creating the account. Submit the registration and Xfinity will confirm once your username has been created successfully. After that, return to the sign-in page and log in using your new username and password. Once you're signed in, open your TV services from inside your Xfinity account. Depending on your plan, this is where you may be able to manage your TV package, equipment, billing, and streaming features. If your plan includes Xfinity TV, the next step is to download the Xfinity Stream app on a supported device and sign in with your new Xfinity credentials. And if you're using a smart TV, streaming device, or other supported equipment, just follow the activation instructions shown on the screen to complete setup. And that's how to create an Xfinity TV account.